Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a cabin filter to a 2017 Ford Fusion. Real simple. First we're going to start off by opening the cabin filter, the glove compartment. We're going to pull off the side panel. Then we're going to carefully remove this piece right here. This trim does get removed. I like to pull from behind here. Nice and simple. Be gentle. Pull out that. I'm gonna adjust my view here. I'm gonna come from the bottom with my trim remover. I have a 7mm. You see here, just a quick 7. I'm gonna take these top screws that are right here, remove those. Now I'm going to show you guys there is 2 more screws at the bottom. Now be careful not to take these big 10mm bolts off. As you can see right there, another 7, and it's the same thing on the other side. Now that we got the 2 top bolts and the 2 bottom bolts out, we're going to go and pull, because these are clip-ons also. Pull that out of place, and then come here and pull this out of place. There's a clipped-on sensor. You want to pull that off. Now that we have the glove compartment out, there is going to be 2 Phillips. This car doesn't have it. There's going to be 2 Phillips screwdriver bolts right here. And I want to use a screwdriver and take those 2 off. What you're going to want to do is gently pull these tabs out. Let me see if I get a light so we can see better. There are 2 tabs here. Gently pull out, not too far because they will snap. And then you're going to pull these tabs forward. You're going to have the other side right here. Pull the tabs out and pull forward. It will come out. And that's gonna just pull this out, put a new one in. Again, you're gonna want to look at what you're doing. That clips right into place. So does that one. And we're just gonna reverse the order. I'm gonna try to show you that now. Again, be careful with your sensor here. Put this back in place. Line it up right into place. Make sure you put your bolts back into place. If you're using electronic tools, please be gentle. You don't have to really drive it in, you just snap the bolt. Be aware of your clips behind here. They will get stuck, they will break. Just be precise on where you're putting them in. Don't be rough with it. Nice. Then we're going to put the outside shell. And you're all done. Hope this helps. If it does, like, subscribe. Take care.